Now that we have learned about the complex steps involved in praxis, it should be no surprise that there are cases where the process can be disrupted and thus people have trouble with simple movements. This disruption in movement is called dyspraxia or apraxia. These disruptions can originate in the brain at birth, which we call dyspraxia. Disruptions can also occur after damage to a brain area from an infection, brain tumor, or head injury, which we call apraxia. There are many different types of dyspraxia and apraxia. The type depends on where the damage is in the brain. The three main types of dyspraxia or apraxia are ideomotor, ideational, and oromotor. In ideomotor dyspraxia or apraxia, the signals from the ideation areas of the brain to the motor cortex are damaged. When asked to carry out an action, the person knows what they want to do in the sequence of steps, but are unable to perform the action. So Jimmy would know what a toothbrush is used for and how to move his arms to brush, but may not be able to begin brushing his teeth when he wants to. Another common example is a person knowing what and how to use a utensil, but is unable to use the utensil voluntarily. In ideational dyspraxia or apraxia, a person has damage to the areas of the brain that are responsible for planning an action. They are unable to select the correct motor plan needed to carry out an action. For example, Jimmy may know what a toothbrush is, but has lost the concept of the planned sequence of movements required for its use. He may hold it incorrectly, try to brush his hair with it, or fail to brush his teeth in the right order. In oromotor dyspraxia or apraxia, a person has trouble forming speech sounds and mouth movements. For example, Jimmy may have trouble tightening his lips around the toothbrush while brushing. Difficulty with speech can make it frustrating to communicate with others and keep social relationships. There are many other types of apraxia and dyspraxia out there that can affect anyone, but occupational therapy services are here to help.